Hi, welcome to Mrs. Chapman Studio. Today we are going to talk about 2023 Grade 5 5A paper and Section 2, Peach. So first one is to test us how to read autoclave. So autoclave, we have two mirror image C, and where the line join the two mirror image C will be your middle C. So we have a question, what note is this? So these are the two ledger lines, the notes just above the two ledger lines. And so we need to count. So this is middle C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and last one E. So this is E. The note is answer is E. Next one, we are going to find out the enharmonic equivalent of this note. Okay, so we need to first know this is a bass clef note. Okay, don't read the wrong one. Yeah, and enharmonic equivalent means that notes of the same pitch but different name. So we have here, this is F, and this is bass clef again, G flat, bass clef, A double flat, and E sharp. So we need to do now is to draw a keyboard, because in exam we can't have keyboard next to us. So we need to draw a keyboard now. So we are going to draw two black keys, okay? And then you are going to draw a line underneath and then square up. Okay, so these two black keys, C, D, E. Next one, you have three black keys, and draw a line below and box it up. So these are the three black keys, which is your F, G, A, B. Okay. Next one, two black keys. We are going to do two octaves. They are draw a line below and box it up. So this is C, D, E. Three black keys. 1, 2, 3. And draw a line below. Box it up. So this is F, G, A, B. So now you have a very clear keyboard in front of you. Now we are going to find out who has the same pitch but with different name. There will be enharmonic equivalent of this F. Okay, so first we have F over here. Okay, this is the pitch. And then next one, G flat, G, G flat. So they are not the same pitch. A double flat. So A flat, A double flat. It's here, they are not the same pitch. How about E sharp? So we have E, E go up is E sharp. So they are the same pitch but with different name. So the answer will be E sharp. 2.3 now. We are going to transpose up. Okay, so this is the keyword. Okay, major second. And in major second, the second means what? The letter name. And the major meaning two semitone in distance. Okay, so over here we are going to first determine our key. So first one we have G major, because it's one sharp, right? Okay, then last sharp, G sharp plus one semitone, A major. We are going to find out whether they are the same. They are correctly transposed. Okay, so G major to A major. Letter name, we have G, A, just next to each other, two letter names, so that is accurate. So it's A major. Now we have to make sure that they have two semitones in between. So G, 1, 2. So it's A major. So that is correct. So the first one is accurate. Second one. Now we are going to use the system of movable C position. Okay, so in this case, your G major now, by movable C, your Do or your C or your number 1 is on line 2. Okay, and for A major, your number 1 will be on the space 2, which is your A. Okay, so that is movable C system. So we have over here now is that we are going to have G major and A major. Okay, so we have the treble clef and treble clef, and we are going to do G major here, and of course 1 G lower. So this is also your number 1. Okay, so that is all your Do, all your C, okay, in the movable C system. So next one we have A major, this space 2, now is your number 1, which is your Do, and of course the lower A, which is also your C. Alright, so first note we have is G here. Okay, so first note we have is G, and counting from number 1, so this is your middle C, which is your number 1, so this is number 1. Okay, now so on A major, this is A major, your number 1 is here, and our first note is on the A, which is your number 1, so this is number 1. So realize the number is the same. Realize the number is the same. These two numbers is the same. So the first question is same. So they are both Do of both C in their respective key. Next one we have is F. The second one we have is F. So number 1 is now coming down to lower G. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is your 7. Okay, so how do I get there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. 7. Second one, you have G over here. Sorry, correction. G over here. Okay, so we have a G over here, and your low A is over here. So we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7. So realize the two numbers, they are the same. So the second one is accurate. Okay, next one, moving on. So moving on, we have the high C over here, C sharp, which is important because when we have a sharp, we are going to have a plus, okay, sign for our sharp. Okay, so that is important. Now for high C, we're going to count from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a 4 plus. Okay, now next one we have a D. So from A, so we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. And here there's no sharp, so 4. That's this. Now look at these two. They are not the same, right? 4 plus and 4. So this is inaccurate. The next one, moving down. Now we have a E. I'm going to count from our Do in G major, which is your G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a 6. And for F, we have a natural. Look at this one, we have a natural F. So natural F, we have to put an N. I stand for natural. And come from our A, which is a do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 natural. So look at these two. They are not the same. So this is the fourth one will be inaccurate. Okay, so this is how you get your answer using movable C system. Next 2.4, we are going to find out the pitch. Okay, whether they are the same pitch or they are higher or lower. Now, so over here on the bass clef, we are going to analyze is this is your middle C. Okay, so we need to know where's your middle C. So this is your middle C. Okay, and then the next one is this will be your low C. Okay, so when we have a low C over here, bass clef, low C. Alright, so this is a low C. Now we have the first note is here, and this is C, B, A, G, F, E, and D. So this will be the low D. Okay, so the first one will be low D. Second one, okay, so we need to write low D over here. Second one, this is a B, so which is your low B. Alright, so low B, low B. The next one, low A, and this is low C. Okay, so this is our position. Next one, if I have a treble clef. Treble clef over here, this is a middle C. So the first one will be middle D. Second one, middle B. Third one, middle A. Fourth one, high C. Next, we have alto clef here. So alto clef here, we have middle C. We are going to use here. So alto clef, this is a middle C. And low C will be here. Okay, so this is your low C. Okay, low C. So we have low C is here, this is middle C, and then we look at this one. This is C, D. So this is low D. Okay, and then next one, this one will be CB, right? Yeah, so this is a low B. Right, this is a low B. Next one, we have C, B, A. So this is a low A. Why? Because below middle C is a low A. Next one, middle C. Okay, so now we have the whole range coming out. Okay, so over here, B and C are they the same pitch? So this is middle, this is low, so this is fourth. Okay, B. Now A is lower than C, 1 octave lower. So one is low, one is low. So this is true. Next one, B is 1 octave higher than A. So A is low. Second one, this is middle. So we have a low D is here. Okay, middle D is here. And then low D, low D. So they are not just 1 octave, but there are 2 octaves. Yeah, so we have first octave is here, right? Middle D, that's where middle D, that's where it is, and then 1 low D. This is low D. So there are 2 octaves, not just 1 octave. Okay. So our last answer will be 4.